Hello student of class 11. This is the continuation video of quadratic equation. This is 10th video. Find the condition that the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0 should be, first one is both positive. Roots are both positive. Second is both roots are negative. Third one is positive and other is negative. 4 equal in magnitude and opposite in signs. And condition 5 is reciprocal to one another. For first one, if or let alpha beta be the two roots of the given equation, then we have p plus q, alpha plus beta equal to minus p and alpha beta equal to q. Since alpha plus beta equal to minus p, when p is negative, that means alpha plus beta is minus p. Sum of the roots equal to minus p. When p is less than 0, then alpha plus beta equal to positive sign. When we have to find when two roots are positive, then alpha plus beta positive, then alpha plus beta equal to some quantity which is positive, but here this is minus p. That means when p less than 0, then alpha plus beta equal to alpha plus beta greater than 0 and both roots are positive. Second one, when both roots are negative, and another thing is pq equal to q, alpha beta greater than 0, both are positive, that means alpha into beta greater than 0, that means q greater than 0. Therefore, when p less than 0 and q greater than 0, then both roots are positive. This is first one. For second one, both roots are negative. When, for second condition, when p greater than 0 and q greater than 0, both roots are negative. P greater than 0, that means p is positive, alpha plus beta equal to minus p, condition is satisfied, both roots are negative, p greater than 0, and alpha and beta both are negative. Multiplication of two negative numbers, we have positive sign, so then q is positive. So for negative roots, p greater than 0 and q greater than 0. And for 3, one positive and one negative, then larger root is negative in B and C, and A is positive sign. Q less than 0 and larger root is negative in B and C. Larger root is negative in sign, larger root is negative in sign. Larger root is negative. For alpha beta, which is larger, that is negative. One root is positive and one is negative. Here P plus Q equal to minus P. That means if alpha greater than beta, then alpha minus beta, larger root is negative. That means if alpha beta greater than alpha, that means minus alpha plus beta, we have alpha is greater than beta, but minus alpha is greater than beta. Larger root is greater than, but minus alpha plus p, which is larger, that is negative, then then the value is negative. Okay, so this is and Q less than 0, 1 positive, 1 negative, then Q less than 0. This is for 3, and alpha plus beta, this equal to minus P, and alpha beta this equal to Q, and condition for 4, P equal to 0. If P equal to 0, then alpha plus beta equal to 0, that means alpha equal to minus beta. Equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. For condition for 4 is P equal to 0, and condition for 5 equal to Q equal to 1. Reciprocal to one another. If Q equal to 1, that means alpha beta equal to 1, so alpha equal to 1 by beta. Okay. For 5, condition is Q equal to 1, for 4 P equal to 0 is the required condition. If the roots of the equation x square plus x plus a, this is next sum, x square plus a equal to 0, roots of this equation be real and unequal, then prove that the roots of the equation 2x square minus 4 into 1 plus a into x plus 2 square plus 3, this equal to 0. The roots of this equation are imaginary. Here given that the roots of this equation, let the roots of this equation be alpha beta. Roots of this equation are unequal and real. That means we know D, that means discriminant, this is equal to b square minus 4ac, this is greater than equal to, this is greater than 0. Here b, that means 1 minus 4, a equal to 1, c equal to a, this greater than 0, and that means 1 minus 4a is greater than 0. Therefore, we can write, if minus a taken from minus 1 taken from here, 4a minus 1, this less than 0, and from this equation we have b square minus 4ac, that means d, b equal to minus 4 into 1 plus a, this square, minus 4, a equal to 2a square plus 3, this is equal to, this is 4 square, that means 16, 1 plus a whole square minus 8, 2a square plus 3. Here we have 4a minus 1, 4a minus 1, 4a minus 1, that is less than 0, 4a minus 1, not minus 4a, 4a minus 1 less than 0. We have 4a minus 1 less than 0, and from here we can write 8, this equal to 8, we have 8 taken from here, 2, two, 1 plus 2a plus a square minus 2a square minus 3, that is equal to 8, 2 plus 4a plus 2a square minus 2a square minus 3, 8, 4a minus 1. If, since 4a minus 1 less than 0, so this less than 0, that means d less than 0, this equal to d, d less than 0, so the roots are imaginary. It is given that the roots of this equation are real and unequal. We have to prove the roots of this equation are imaginary. Hence, this is proved. I am ending here.